Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Today, we will address a common issue with the Conga 1790 vacuum cleaner, specifically when a wheel fails to function properly. This problem often arises due to a broken cable connecting the wheel to the main board. Let's walk through the repair process step by step. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a multimeter for testing the connections. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep all components organized. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the bottom cover of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the cover is off, inspect the internal components. Look for the wheel assembly and locate the cable that connects it to the main board. If you notice any frayed or broken wires, this is likely the cause of the malfunction. To replace the damaged cable, carefully disconnect it from both the wheel and the main board. Use the pliers to gently pull the connectors apart. If you find the connectors are stuck, a little wiggling should help. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. Now, take your new cable and connect it to the wheel assembly first. Ensure that the connection is secure and that there are no loose ends. Next, connect the other end to the main board. It's crucial to double-check that all connections are tight to avoid future issues. Before reassembling the vacuum, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the internal components. Use a soft brush or a cloth to wipe down the areas around the wheel and the main board. This will help maintain the vacuum's performance. Once everything is clean and connected, replace the bottom cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Now it's time to test your repair. Plug the vacuum back in and turn it on. Check the wheel's functionality by moving the vacuum forward and backward. If it rolls smoothly, you've successfully completed the repair. If you encounter any issues during testing, remember that we provide collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your vacuum problems. Finally, if you're unsure about any part of this process, or if you'd prefer a professional to handle it, we can provide a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost and service. With these steps, you should be able to fix the wheel connection issue on your Conga 1790 vacuum cleaner. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs will ensure your device remains in top condition for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.